and suck my tongue.
The Tibetan spiritual leader Dalai Lama landed himself into controversy after a video of him kissing a young boy went viral. In the same video, Dalai Lama asked the young child to suck his tongue. After the video went viral, the office of Dalai Lama said that a video clip has been circulating that shows a recent meeting with a young boy asking His Holiness Dalai Lama if he could give him a hug. The statement further said that His Holiness wished to apologize to the boy and his family, as many as his friends across the world, for the hurt his words have caused. But it is not the first time that Dalai Lama has stirred up some controversy. Let's take a look at some of his controversial statements in the recent past. The latest being when the Tibetan spiritual leader, who is in exile, asked a minor boy to suck his tongue. The video showed the Dalai Lama kissing the child on his lips as the latter leaned in to pay his respects. Within a few seconds, the spiritual leader could be seen pointing to his mouth and sticking his tongue out. The video triggered a row, with netizens calling the spiritual leader's behavior disgusting and creepy. The Dalai Lama later apologized to the boy and his family. In 2019, during an interview